Welcome back, children. Now we will continue. Cloth is woven either by hand or by a machine. Now, clothes they are woven either by hand or by a machine. What is woven? Woven means taking together. The clothes are there. The thread fibers are there. Now they are woven together, taken together. उनको एक साथ सिला जाता है. ठीक है. They are woven either by hand, या तो वो हैंड से होता है बाय हैंड, और बाय मशीन. हैंडलूम्स आर यूज फॉर वीविंग हैंडमेड क्लोथ्स. नाउ व्हाट आर यूज्ड फॉर वीविंग हैंडमेड क्लोथ्स? हैंडलूम्स. In modern times, power looms. Okay, in modern times, power looms and big mills manufacture cloth on a large scale. Machine-made clothes have a very fine look. Machine-made clothes, they have very fine look. Now coming to the proper care of clothes, we have done why do we wear clothes, different kinds of clothes worn in different seasons, and materials used for making clothes. Now obviously when you are wearing clothes, you have to take care of the clothes also. You cannot keep it like that, so they are needed to be taken care for. I already told you in the beginning of the lesson that so that you can wear those clothes for longer time and they are durable. Now, proper care of clothes. First of all, how can you take care of your clothes? You have to wash it time to time. It should not be dirty. Understood? It should not be dirty. And proper drying. Proper drying. Sun drying. Not that machine drying. Sun drying should be given to the clothes so that the bacteria should get killed under the sun. जो सनलाइट है उससे जो इवन जो हमारे कपड़ों में भी जो बैक्टीरियाज और इंसेक्ट्स होते हैं उससे वो सनलाइट ओके धूप से दे डाई. नाउ इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट टू नो अबाउट द फाइबर ऑफ विच योर क्लॉथ इज मेड ऑफ एंड how to care for it. Means it is very important whatever clothes you are wearing, what are the fiber of that clothes. That is why अगर आप अभी अपनी मम्मी के साथ कभी गए हो शॉपिंग के लिए, if your mummy is taking a cloth, obviously your mummy will inquire everything about it. ये cloth किस मटीरियल का है, what is the material, understood, and how should we take care of it. Why? Because मम्मी को ये चीज़ पता है that which fiber the cloth is made of and उसका केयर कैसे करना है. That is why women, every time we say that women हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ इंक्वायरी करती रहती है. Why? Because of this. Understood? Because of this we wear clothes, whatever clothes fibers we are wearing, we have to take care of that cloth. So according to the fiber we have to take care of cloth. For example, अगर हम cotton का cloth ले रहे हैं, cotton cloth should be dried, means it should be dry cleaned. Understood? Some party wear clothes if we take, अगर आपने उसको धो दिया वो खराब हो जाएगा. So you have to keep the knowledge that which clothes should be taken care and how they should be taken care. So most of the ready-made clothes have instructions about cleaning. You need to know whether a garment should be hand washed, machine washed, or dry washed. Understood? Or whether they should be ironed or not. This is the reason that your mummy inquire about the clothes. Then mummy जब भी ले रही हैं तो वो इंक्वायर कर रही हैं कि ये कौन सा कपड़ा है, ये किस कपड़े से बनाया गया है. अंडरस्टूड? सो यू नीड टू नो दैट विच मटीरियल्स इट शुड बी हैंड वॉश. कौन से मटीरियल को हम हैंड वॉश कर सकते हैं, कौन से मटीरियल को हम मशीन वॉश कर सकते हैं, कौन से मटीरियल को हमने ड्राई वॉश करना है. अंडरस्टूड? सो इसको हमें ड्राई क्लीनिंग में देना है. I hope you are understanding. So, and which clothes should be ironed. Now, coming to next, clothes last longer if they are cleaned promptly when they get dirty. Promptly means immediately. If they are cleaned promptly, immediately, जैसे एकदम से गंदा हुआ उसको जल्दी से धोना is necessary so that जो stain है उसमें वो ज़्यादा देर तक ना रहे. Understood? Cotton clothes should be washed with soap or detergent powder. Silk clothes and woolen clothes should be dry washed. Cotton clothes should be damped before ironing. Now, cotton clothes should be damped before ironing. What is damped? What is damped? Now, जब आपने देखा होगा कभी कभी स्टीम आयन आपने देखा होगा, यू माइट हैव सीन द स्टीम आयन. स्टीम आयन में क्या होता है, उसमें पानी डालते हैं एंड देन वी आयन इट. दैट इज एक्चुअली फॉर मोस्टली फॉर कॉटन क्लोथ्स, बिकॉज वो उसको साथ साथ डैम्प भी करता है. डैम्प मीन्स उसको गीला करना, थोड़ा उसमें पानी डाल के हल्का सा उसे गीला करना एंड देन आयन इट एंड देन इट इज प्रॉपरली आयन्ड. Understood? So cotton clothes should be damped before ironing. So the steam ironing are for that only. Understood? Steam iron are for that only. If your clothes get stained, remove them at once with proper chemicals. You can remove its ink stains with talcum powder, oil and grease stains with petrol and benzene, and coffee and tea stain by washing at once. Woolen and silk clothes can be very easily attacked by insects such as silverfish. These insects can be destroyed by keeping the clothes in sun or by putting naphthalene balls between them. What are naphthalene balls? It is shown here. Kapoor, जो आपकी मम्मी कभी कभी कपड़ों में डालती हैं, that is kapoor, white color balls. They are kept so that these woolen clothes should not get insects. Understood? As these clothes are very costly, they must be looked after properly. They can have a long life and serve better. It's if proper washing, drying, preserving, and mending are done regularly. Clothes need not to be expensive to look good, but they should be neat and clean. Yes, it's not necessary that your clothes should be expensive to look good. It should be neat and clean. I hope you have understood the lesson. Thank you so much, children. And do the in-text. I hope you have done the in-text question. I will share the answer key in the group. Thank you so much. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson.